this year's 2022 Offshore Technology Conference that's happening in Houston, Texas at the NRG Stadium. I'm so excited for us to start talking to people. Oil and gas is such a big deal in Houston, and so companies fly from around the world for them to showcase what they're trying to do. What are we doing today though, Soleil?
You know what we're doing today. We are here with Afrovibes. As you said, we are interviewing millions of companies, a lot of companies, okay? And we're gonna ask them about, their company specifically, what differentiates them from other competitors, and just what they hope to gain from OTC this year.
I cannot wait. You guys stay tuned. This is Afrovibes TV and Radio, live at NRG Stadium. This is OTC 2022. Let's get into it. Hey guys, we are here at OTC. We have today
Scott Unzen with Omnetics Connector Corporation.
We are so happy that you joined us today. We just want to ask you two quick questions. What is Omnetics going to gain from OTC this year specifically?
Well, it's here. A lot of it is existing customers come, and sometimes it's, with the market changes from COVID, are you still in business?
True.
And the market's changed in that a lot of companies during COVID, went through bankruptcy and things like that. So there's a lot of existing engineers we work with that are at new companies. So it's, good to learn where they landed and things like that and what they're working on.
Nice. So with Omnetics, what do you guys hope to gain, and what about your products? What differentiates you from your competitors?
Well, for the most part, most of our competitors that are here are focusing on larger connectors. They have subsea type style connectors. We specialize more in smaller connectors, downhole tools, measurement tools, all high reliability. So we're going to be mostly inside the box. Some of our competitors that we see in other industries are focusing more on their larger outside the box style connectors. So we have a very high quality, high reliability product, and so we're going to be inside working with these guys and solving their problems and coming up with a solution for them.
Nice, beautiful. Well,
Hey guys, we're here with Bobby with CITIC Pacific. How are you doing today?
Very good, thank you.
Could you tell our audience a little bit about your company?
Yes, CITIC Pacific Special Steel Group is a subsidiary of CITIC Group, which is a global Fortune 500 company.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we do is we're making special quality steel that used for the energy sector, for automotive, gears, bearings, so those are our specialties.
nice. And here at OTC, what do you guys hope to gain?
Yeah, so we're hoping that putting our show here will let our customers and the potential customer know that we have continued to provide quality products to energy industry, and we're hoping that more customers will join us, to work together for the energy sector.
Nice.
Well, thank you. Hey guys, we are here with Ming from Exceed Oilfield Equipment. How are you doing today?
Doing very good, thank you.
Oh, no problem. So we're here at OTC. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Well, we are the world's largest sucker rod manufacturer. It's a product using the completion, and we are really proud to be here for over 10 years now. And
You've been coming to OTC for 10 years.
Over 10 years, yes. Yeah.
Wow. So with your 10-year experience, what's different about this year, and what do you guys hope to gain from this year?
Well, first of all, it's a lot better than last year.
Yeah.
Okay. And over the years, we have seen the show continuously to provide us with a lot of opportunities, not only in the U.S. but also in around the world. So the turnout is amazing almost every year.
All right, everybody, we are here with Larry from S-Lock. How are you today?
Great.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about your company.
S-Lock is a manufacturer of instrumentation tube fittings that are manufactured in Korea, South Korea. Make that clear.
Yeah. And then tell us what you hope to gain from coming to OTC this year.
We're looking for opportunities to set up other distributors throughout North America.
All All right, guys. So we are here with Jane Chen of Cosco Shipping. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Awesome. So can you tell us about Cosco Shipping?
Yeah, Costco is a huge company, as everybody knows that we are very glad to be back to OTC this year again, and we have 2 booths here this year. We have a Costco heavy industry. We also have a Costco transportation in another booth, and we have a lot of customers come by these days and quite busy. We're very glad to reconnect with our customer face to face. Yeah.
So that's a little bit about what you're trying to do at OTC. Could you tell us a little bit about what Cosco Shipping does?
Cosco Shipping, basically, our division, we are building ships. We have 9 locations around the world, mainly in China. So we have a customer all over the world. We're building different forms of vessels to our customer worldwide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us. We will let you get back to it.
Thank you.
Afrovibes. We are here with Lorenzo of Technip Energies. How are you today?
I'm okay, thank you very much.
Awesome. So can you tell us a little bit about Technip Energies?
Yes, of course, Technip Energies. We are a French company, and we are an engineering and technology company in the oil and gas and energy transition space.
Nice.
And so could you tell us a little bit about what you hope to gain from OTC this year?
We always come to the OTC since ages, since its inception and creation. We are always here, we have a booth, and we gain visibility, and we meet all our clients and partners.
Okay, and we are here with Joy with AT Controls. How are you today?
Fantastic. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. So can you tell us about AT Controls?
Sure. We're a valve and automation company. So we manufacture valves, actuators, and automate them throughout the world. So we're based in Cincinnati, Ohio.
So Joy, could you tell us a little bit about what your company hopes to gain from OTC this year?
I think like any year when you do a trade show, you're looking for new customers, you're reconnecting with old customers. The bottom line is we know how good our show was based on how many leads we get that are qualified.
Hey guys, we are here with the hoser from Austin Hose. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
Good. You have a good energy about yourself.
Yeah, I am. I drank a lot of coffee this morning and built a lot of hoses, so I'm feeling pretty good.
There you go. So talking about building hoses, could you tell us a little bit about Austin Hose and what you guys do?
Well, what we do is we provide oil companies, ag, all types of industrial hoses, hydraulic hoses, and everything they need. Right now we're pushing the plug and play. Okay. Which allows you to assemble and make your own assemblies and hoses. So, like when one busts or breaks, instead of calling us or somebody else, you could make plug and play, do the product yourself. Right. I'm a little nervous right now, so
It's okay.
No, I'm okay.
So with that, what do you guys hope to gain from OTC this year?
Well, we hope to gain a big customer base, more money, more sales. Money's what makes this world go round, right. So that's what we're hoping for. Good clientele. We're nothing but customer service. That's what we're about. And that's what we're hoping to gain. So a good customer base, get out there, get the name out there. The Hoser, baby, at Austin Hose. We're corporates in Amarillo, Texas, but we got places all over.
Beautiful. And we are here with Scott from Schlumberger. How are you today?
I'm doing fine. How about yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you. So can you tell us about your company?
Yeah, Schlumberger here in the energy transition side. We're working on ways for the global net zero carbon initiatives that we're working on. My group here focuses on generating clean hydrogen, alternate fuel sources, carbon capture and storage facilities that we're working with, more on a digital software platform. Schlumberger as a whole is an oilfield services company, well construction and all that, but the big point of this side is just how we're going to try and reduce greenhouse gases and how Schlumberger can help.
Nice.
That is an awesome initiative. I'm really happy that Schlumberger is doing that. So could you tell us a little bit about what you're trying to gain here at OTC today, or this year?
Okay, OTC, we weren't here last year. So this year we again want to just show, as this is an initiative for many companies from a CEO down, greenhouse gas initiatives, carbon net zero, just to let it be out there that we're here to help. Nobody can do it on their own. We're just here to collaborate and work together, joint partnerships, and just show what Schlumberger can do.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Scott, for taking the time to talk with us today. Hey, we are here with Jacob from the Lee Company. How are you doing today?
Oh, not too bad. Happy to be here.
Thank you for taking the time. So let's just jump right into it. Tell us a little bit about the Lee Company. What do you guys do?
Yeah, so Lee Company is a manufacturer of high-precision fluid control components. We originally got our start in aerospace, but we also have a wide range of applications in the oil and gas market, specifically in downhole tools.
Nice. So with OTC, what do you guys hope to gain this year?
Well, look at just make some connections within the industry. Honestly, we have a couple new products, pumps that we're starting to break into, and we're hoping to get some information out to all the relevant engineers and hopefully kind of increase awareness of some of the new stuff we're offering.
So we are here with Barry with ProSense. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Awesome. So can you tell us about ProSense?
Yes, ProSense is a distributor of incredible things.
Yeah.
And we have a theme around protection, protecting equipment or protecting your investment, your people.
Very nice.
And so what are you guys doing that's kind of differentiating you from your competitors?
Well, we have leading edge equipment that we distribute. And so our difference is staying ahead of, obviously, technology-wise and making sure we have the best that's available.
There you go. And so speaking of that, what do you hope to gain from OTC this year?
Looking for, obviously, new clients in other places than Canada, being we are from Canada.
Okay.
And also looking for some representation of products in the area as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us.
Thank you.
We'll let you get back to it.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Hey guys, we are here with Mike from Dragados Offshore. How are you doing today?
Doing fabulous today. Thank you very much.
Of course, of course. So could you tell us a little bit about the company?
Dragados Offshore is a large Spanish-based fabrication company. We build large offshore structures for both the oil and gas industry and for the renewables industry. Additionally, we do quite a bit of onshore module construction globally.
That's awesome. So what do you guys hope to gain from OTC this year?
Well, from OTC this year, obviously, over the last 2 years, the industry it's been a challenge. Right, with the COVID and just the overall industry. But the value in OTC is brand recognition. Getting to see people to understand who we are, what we do, and how we can provide solutions for them.
Hey, we are joined by Denny from Derrick Corporation. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, I'm good. Could you tell our viewers a little bit about your company and just why you're a little bit different from your competitors?
Well, we've been in business for over 70 years. It's a privately owned family business, and we're in the fine separation technology business, specifically here at the Offshore Technology Conference. This is for drilling, but we're also in the mining and industrial side, and we also have a civil application that we do as well. So we've been making fine separation technology, like I said, for over 70 years, and as a privately owned business, it's the only thing that we focus on, and it's the only thing that we do for drilling. So we're quite proud of where we are, and we compete against the big guys like NOV and Schlumberger.
Right.
So.
Very nice. Well, here at OTC this year, what do you guys hope to gain?
Well, we were really interested to know what kind of foot traffic we were going to see after having been off since 2019. So it's been a little bit on the slower side, but we have seen some decent customers come through, and we just really wanted to try to get back out and reconnect with everybody in the industry.
Very nice. Well, we wish you guys the best, and thank you so much for talking with us. Thank you.
Hey, we are here with Justin with Probe. How are you doing today?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Good, good. We just want to know, tell us a little bit about Probe. What is Probe?
So Probe is a manufacturer of downhole tools that go into the well, and we measure the things that are going on with oil and also geothermal wells with hydrocarbons and oil, gas, and water. So.
So with Probe, what do you guys hope to gain from OTC this year?
Well, we basically is contacts, make a few sales, of course, and then exposure.
Nice. So we are here with Kyle and Luke of Hydroquip. How are you guys doing?
Doing well. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. So can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yeah, so Hydroquip is a hydraulics and automation distributor. We work with our vendor partners as well as our sister companies to provide turnkey solutions for all of our customers, anywhere from valve actuation packages to mobile equipment, industrial applications, and things of that nature. So we're happy to be here. We split our booth with our vendor partners, so we're happy to have them here as well.
Very nice.
And then we wanted to know what do you expect from OTC this year, specifically this year, especially as OTC has kind of been a little bit slower in the last couple of years.
Yeah, we're just hoping to establish good contacts, and see some of our existing customers exhibit with our valued vendors here and just kind of network, really. So, yeah.
All right, and we are here with Greg of ITH Bolting Technology. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So can you tell us about your company?
Sure, ITH is a bolting technology company. So we make tools for fastening joints, and we also supply hardware that goes along with our tools.
Very nice.
And then what are you hoping to gain from OTC this year?
Well, our main objective at the OTC show is to connect with new customers. We always like to share some information about some of our new products and basically allow our customers to see and understand our new technology.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us. We'll let you get back to it.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, we're here with Terry from New Tech Systems. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you, man?
Good, good. I just want to know real quick, tell us a little bit about your company, New Tech Systems.
Okay, we're a worldwide manufacturer of pipe inspection equipment for OTC tubulars, downhole tubulars.
And then how are you different from your competitors?
Basically, our equipment is more dependable, it's more sophisticated, and that'd be the best way.
And with that, what do you guys hope to gain from OTC this year?
Well, we, like I said, we reach out to customers worldwide, and of course this is a worldwide oil show, so that's our best way to reach customers.
Very nice. Well, we wish you guys the best.
We're here with Steven from Disflow Corporation. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Good, I'm doing well. Could you tell us a little bit about the company, Disflow?
Sure. Disflow Pumps is a sludge and slurry pump. It solves pumping applications, difficult pumping applications.
Okay, and then how are you different from your competitors?
Well, we're the only pump like this in the world. So we work on the principle boundary layer viscous drag, and we handle very abrasive materials without any wear on the pumps or very shear sensitive materials without damaging the product.
Okay.
Very nice. And then what do you guys hope to gain from OTC this year?
Exposure, just getting back at it. The last time we were all doing shows 2019, so it's great to be in the industry and talking to people again and meeting people.
Very nice. Well,
we're here with Robert from White Hill. How are you doing today?
We're doing great today.
So tell us a little bit about White Hill Manufacturing. Tell us why you're different from other competitors.
We're a family-run business in the U.S. We design and manufacture rope for the deepwater and offshore industry. Yeah, so
short and sweet.
Yeah, it's great.
And how are you different from other people that are doing the same types of things?
We are very well known for our engineering, so really quality engineering part, and our ropes tend not to break.
very nice. And what do you guys hope to gain from OTC this year?
We're hoping to get some new exposure to some of the new energy fields that are coming out. It's similar to some of the offshore oil and gas work, but obviously much better for the environment. And we're looking to grow with the industry.
Very nice. Well, we wish you guys the best. Thank you. And we are here with Wyatt of Copper State Rubber. How are you today?
I'm doing very good, thank you.
Awesome. So can you tell us about your company?
So we're Copper State Rubber. We're a rubber hose manufacturing company for all sorts of different applications: rotary, choke and kill, cement, and we've been in business since the 50s. family-run company, and we hope to achieve to keep our name out there in the public and to generate more customers and just really introduce everyone to our product on the market.
Very nice.
Awesome. And could you tell us why your company is so different from your competitors?
Well, we are like I said, a family-owned company, and our lead times are extremely competitive compared to our competitors. And we've been in the business since the 1950s, and we know what we're doing. You know, we've been around the block, and we deliver a very good product in the stream of commerce for our customers, and we take pride in that.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us, Wyatt.
Thank you all very much. Appreciate it.
All right, and we are here with Bryce and Allie of Generon. How are you guys doing?
Good. Thanks for having us today.
Awesome. So can you tell us about your company?
Yeah, so Generon, our technology was developed in the mid-1960s by Dow Chemical. We're an air and gas separation company, and we do process skids for the gas industry.
Very nice.
And could you tell us a little bit about what you hope to gain from OTC this year?
Yeah, I think it's been really cool this year. OTC's been a little bit bigger than we've seen in recent years, and being able to build relationships, client retention, new clients, and just kind of brand recognition as a whole has been great.
We're here with Jasfani and Mayank from American Completion Tools. How are you guys doing today?
We are doing great.
Oh, awesome. And so tell us a little bit about American Completion Tools.
We manufacture the oilfield equipments, mainly the completion tools in United States and Texas, and we export all over the world.
Oh, awesome. And then how are you different from your competitors?
The pricing and the quality, of course. We are the API licensee, so everything is under API license and monogram product.
Awesome. Very nice. And here at OTC, what are you guys hoping to gain this year?
This time is very good. From the last year, definitely. Although the number of exhibitors are less, but we are hoping because of the oil prices to show to be very good.
Very nice. Well, we wish you guys the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We are here with Zach from Parker. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. Could you tell us a little bit about what Parker does?
Yeah, so Parker Hannafin is one of the major industrial suppliers in the oil and gas market. We supply a lot of materials to the service companies, to the field, and we're excited to be here at OTC.
Awesome.
Very nice. And here at OTC, what do you guys hope to gain this year?
Well, we hope to gain, a better understanding of what the future of oil and gas is, and where we fit into that, and where we can help solve problems. So.
Very nice. Well, best wishes. Thank you for talking with us.
Thank you.
We have just finished a round of interviews for different companies that have flown all across the world and country to come here at the Houston's Oil and Gas Technology Conference here at OTC. I think it was amazing. And we got to hear so many testimonies about what they're trying to do and how this year hopefully is better and will be better than past years. What did you think?
You know what? I thought it was awesome. Like, it was great just meeting everybody and listening to their different products.
Right.
So thank you guys for tuning in here with Afrovibes TV and Radio, covering OTC this year, and we'll see you soon.